Alright, today I'm going to be making a pepperoni and cheese hoagie. What you're going to need is a hot dog bun, some pepperoni, and 2 slices of all-American cheese. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split the bun down the slot, and then I'm going to take some cheese, open it up, slice it in half, and place it gently into the slot. Then I'm going to take the pepperoni, open it up, pull the pepperoni out, and just take the pepperonis and place it inside of the slot on top of the cheese. Just like that. Alright, and once you place all the pepperoni in there, you're going to take the other slice of the cheese, open it up, cut it in half just like that, place it in the slot on top of the pepperoni and on top of the other piece of cheese, close it gently, and put it in the microwave for 20 to 22 seconds. After about 1 minute, pull it out of the microwave and be careful because it may be hot. You have yourself a pepperoni and cheese hoagie. Look at the cheese. Look at the pepperoni. Absolute goodness. It's going to be hot, so be careful. Absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions.